In today's digital age, our eyes are constantly exposed to screens and artificial lights, leading to an increased demand for vision care. While regular eye checkups and proper eye protection are crucial, we often overlook the impact of our diet on eye health. Just as we nourish our bodies for overall well-being, a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients can significantly benefit our eyes. Discover the power of healthy food eating for vision and the key nutrients that can help maintain optimal eye health. 1. Antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants play a vital role in protecting our eyes from oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to age-related vision problems. Foods high in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, can help prevent or slow down the progression of eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. A. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessels in the eyes and supports healthy retinas. B. Vitamin E. Nuts, seeds, spinach, and fortified cereals provide vitamin E, which helps protect cells from oxidative damage. C. Beta-carotene. Carrots, sweet potatoes, butternut squash, and kale are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining good vision, particularly in low light conditions. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for eye health, as they contribute to the structural components of the retina. Consuming foods rich in omega-3s may reduce the risk of developing dry eyes and even help protect against macular degeneration. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and trout, are among the best sources of omega-3s. For vegetarians and vegans, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent plant-based alternatives. 3. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens are a treasure trove of eye-friendly nutrients, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful antioxidants are known to filter harmful high-energy light waves, reducing the risk of eye damage and supporting long-term eye health. Incorporate spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard into your diet to reap the benefits of these vision-protective nutrients. 4. Colorful fruits and vegetables. In addition to carrots, other colorful fruits and vegetables are rich in various eye-supporting nutrients. Blueberries, grapes, oranges, and kiwis contain flavonoids and vitamin C, which can improve blood flow to the eyes and combat inflammation. 5. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, 3 essential nutrients for maintaining healthy vision. Zinc aids in the transportation of vitamin E from the liver to the retina, contributing to the production of melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes. As we prioritize our overall health and well-being, let's not forget the importance of our precious sense of sight. By embracing a diet rich in antioxidant-packed fruits and vegetables, omega-3 fatty acids, and eye-nourishing nutrients, we can support and protect our vision for the years to come. Remember, a balanced diet not only benefits our eyes but also enhances our overall quality of life. Make these healthy food choices a regular part of your meals and enjoy the clear, vibrant world that unfolds before your eyes.